Are you a scalper or a day trader? Then stick around. This video, I want to give you the simplest and the easiest way that you can scalp the Forex market. So let me just get started. Over here, I'll pick on any random pair, maybe, okay, let's just say most people do like trading Euro, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, gold, but okay, let's look at the Euro, USD, for example, and see if we can get good scalping position, guys. So first thing, let me try to hit this replay tool, maybe around this level right here. So we all know that for you to scalp, you need to go to the lower time frame, 15, the 5, and to day trade, of course, you need to go to the 1 hour, based on your strategy. So let's say you just open the market or you just open the chart, and this is how Euro USD is looking, and of course you want to scalp. So I keep on saying, identify your last high and your last low. So let's do this. Over here, probably we just need to do this. Maybe identify this as a high and this is a low, and of course right in the middle of here we have a level, something like this. That is done. So let's go to the 4 hour now. Remember, yes, we want to scalp. Of course, we should be looking at the 15, the 5, 1 minute, but we need to scalp based on the daily time frame or the higher time frame, because we want to be safe. The last thing we want to do is trade against the higher time frame. Okay, so let's see over here. So when we are the daily, probably we need to bring in trend line, guys, because we don't want to miss or be faked out. Okay, so something like that. Okay, now that is based on the H4. Now another thing, we need to identify that there's a level right here. There's a key level, which is a support level right there. Now our market or our price kind of looking nice, so let's now go to the 1 hour. Now based on the H1, this is what we have. Okay, remember the daily time frame is telling us that this market just dropped, okay, and it broke out of that uptrend. So does it mean we should be looking for sales? Not yet, unless the market takes out that support, which means this support that I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go to the 15 right there. Now since we have already identified our main levels or our key levels, so we should start looking for price properties. One thing I say, understand how price approaching support or resistance. So there's this kind of an approach, something like this. This calls for my attention right there. Now let's go to the 1 minute. I don't know if TradingView will allow us to hit the 1 minute. Okay, we can't access the 1 minute. Either way, let's look at the 5 minutes now. Now, when we try to zoom in the 5 minutes, what do we see? The first thing that I see is that this market is giving me already a reversal, which is an inverse head and shoulder, a mini version. So right over here, guys, be keen. I might call this an inverse head and shoulder. Left shoulder right here. This might be the head, and now probably price dropping to give me the right shoulder. So let me cut the head, something like this. Okay, let's see what the market did. Oh, amazing, amazing. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm anticipating that the market probably might hit this high, does this, then goes up. Anticipation, you understand? So our first TP, or of course this is scalping though. How much is this? This is like 20 pips. Scalping 20 pips. Is that a scalp? You tell me. You tell me if that's a scalp. I don't know. Let's go. So as for now, we're up. Let me see how much. Okay, price move 10 pips. Let's see. Scalping, I believe 5, 10 pips, up to 20 pips is a good amount of pips, even for day trading, gang. So right now, if you are targeting 5 pips, already you've hit your TP. Targeting 10 pips, you've hit your TP. Now let's see if we bag in the 20 pips. All right, boom, that was what's up. We missed that with let me see, probably 0 point something pip, less than a pip basically, but definitely you want to close that trade. Let's see if the market hit our TP. Yeah, let me see, try to extend this. Of course the price doesn't want to hit our take profit though. Then it was smashed. 20 pips, done, go home. So once that is done, I'll need to remove everything once again and try to respect the market, gang, back to the highest time frame. Let's start from the 4-hour, guys. We don't want to miss anything. I hope you guys are with me, okay? All right, so now this is what we're seeing on the H4. Now on the H4, there's kind of something tricky. The price is, I can say the price is moving sideways. So probably this is a high. You can call this a high right there. And I'll need to adjust this. Oh, of course, we needed to take care of this wick right here. So I'll have this right here. So there's that high and there's this low right here. Okay, so we see that the market broke, but is it a good sign to take a sell position? Guys, for us to take a good sell position, we were supposed to take a sell right here on the supply zone or the resistance, but now the market is on the demand level or a support level. So let's see what the market is going to do. Remember, the market might give you a false break, then reverses on you. That's the last thing we need to do, gang. Okay, let's see. Now based on the H1, this is what we have. Let's go to the 15 now. Okay, now on the 15, I see we had a double top. Should I call this a double top? Now I'll need a mini version or a tiny double top for me to take a sell position, because I don't want to risk more than that. That's like risk 19 pips. Okay, so let's see what the market did. I'll call that a pass. Okay, what if this market wants to give us an inverse head and shoulder? I don't know. All right, so this is what I'm trying to say. What if this market does this left shoulder, gives me a head, comes back, reverses, right shoulder, goes up? Guys, I don't know why I'm talking about this one, but it's looking good though for swings. Anyway, let's see. All right. What is the market doing? For now, we're not doing a thing, guys. Wait. Now, over here, I might call this a continuation pattern. Okay, this one. I might call this a continuation pattern, and a break above. I should take a buy, and I have a stop loss right here, like something like 12 pips. Of course, TP, that's 37 pips, guys, more than a scalp. But first thing, scalping, maybe right there. You understand? We have it right here. Let's see. Okay, TP1 was hit, scalping. All right, and let me see. Remember the 30 pips final TP right over here. And like I said before, I'm anticipating that the market will reverse, give me a right shoulder, and guess what? Time to fly. Probably something like that. I don't know why I like looking for swing trades though, but in the market usually looks way too delicious, gang. Let's see. Boom, that was smashed. So what next? I'm expecting the market to come down, come back to pappy, baby. All right. Okay, so now let me just remove everything. Remember, we've now bagged in 36 pips, more than a day, more than a scalp, more than a day trading. 36, not bad. So I'll have this right here. We need to understand what the market is doing. Okay, yeah, I saw the market doing this. I won't call this a double top too. Okay, okay, I see something amazing though. Remember, I said what we were anticipating this market could do, you know, have it maybe right there. And where should be the target? Guys, this is more than a scalp though. We have this level right here. Okay, so that's 49 pips. Right here should be 12 pips. 5, 10, 11, 12, whichever. You guys know your trading strategy, you understand. Okay, yeah, that was hit. Our first stop loss is hit. How many pips? 14 pips, but we've made more, so we'll just remove this. Okay, let's see what the market did. Now remember, we should go to the the mistake that we did before taking that entry. We were supposed to go back to the H4 and understand what the market or price is doing. So yeah, we make mistakes, guys, so we need to accept that too. So we needed to remove this, everything, not just do our analysis based on the 15, guys. Now I hope you guys saw that making your analysis based on the lower time frame is crazy. All right, now if we were on the higher time frame, we could have seen that. So once again, this is a high level, and we have a level right here. Okay, now I see the mistake. We made an entry right here when price was giving us impulse correction. Impulse, no problem, accept the loss, but then you learn. Okay, all right, so what I see is that market is giving me something like impulse correction, impulse. I don't know if this might be something like this, so let's see. Okay, I'll remove this, and let's go to the 1 hour. Let's hit the H1. Now you see where we went wrong. Okay, so over here we had a level. Okay, so what did this join do? Thank you. Like I say, goes up. Nice. Now let's go to the 15 and see if we can get, of course this is like a double bottom. But wait, before that, was that news? We need to see what happened. Yeah, that was news. Look around here, this was news. NFP was out, baby. NFP, crazy. Crazy, that was NFP though. So let's see the H4. All right, so since we had NFP, guys, I believe we won't make any entry decision now. But anyway, after news, the market will go back to its original direction. Yep. All right, let's see. After news, the market should go to its direction. Okay, but we don't need to trade because news is crazy. That was not triggered. Okay, this is not triggered though. After news, things go crazy. The market needs to correct itself, so we don't need to make any entry decision until the market looks amazing. Either way, from the 15, there's this kind of a pattern that I see. Maybe this might be impulse correction, so a good entry should be right here before we go down. You know, let's see if we miss that. Up, 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 up. Okay, I don't know. Let's go to the 5, guys. If TradingView was allowing us to view the 1 minute, it could have been amazing though, but now we don't have that, so we just use what we have. Go up. Okay, this minute, let's see if we can have a good sell position. I don't know if we should call this a double top, probably something like that. So Okay, let's see, 16. Okay, okay, yeah, that was not a double top. Yeah, right now, yeah, so now we should be looking out for this level right here. Price kind of respecting, so let's see what the market does. If we get a good opportunity, guys, I'm not seeing levels, that's why I'm just having this right here. But if we were at the 1 minute, we should have seen reversal structures or levels that this market could have been respecting, you understand? But for now, you see, we're not getting anything, so we're just blind though. But I hope you guys learning. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. Like I said before, don't trade after news, okay? Because the market will need to, correct itself. Right now, we can't do a thing. The market is not looking good. It's crazy right now. After news, we don't need to do a thing. Just wait for the market to correct itself. Right now, the market's moving sideways. Right? Okay. This one is looking good. This one is looking good. The market kind of broke around this level right here. Okay, now this is based on the H4. Okay, that's quite a lot. 37 is not good though. A lot. Wait, before that happened, scalpers should have been out. 32 pips. What are you waiting for? Okay, so you see, if we come on, I was trying to swing this joint just a minute. This was over 79 pips, and this video is about scalping. Crazy though. So yeah, that was 32 pips. You should be out. And let's see what the market did. Down as usual. Okay, I'll remove these two and try to evolve. Okay, try to understand what the market is doing. Guys, this market is not looking good after that news, but then at least we got something. I don't like it now. Of course, this one's looking like a continuation pattern, impulse correction continuation, but let's see. Does that break? Okay, she's crazy. Let's see what the market was doing on the lower time frame. Okay, there's this double bottom right here. Guys, I don't like what I'm seeing, so I'll stop right there. But I hope you guys understood. So you need to look for clear market structures, guys. Don't trade on a consolidating market, okay? For you to get good scalp or good day trading positions, look for trending markets, not markets which are consolidating, guys. And after news, let the market correct itself. I hope you guys saw that. And after that, the market, of course, will definitely give you clear structures. And from then, that's when you start looking for your scalping or your day trading position. So, adios, amigos. Peace.